How to change consumables on your Translas 10xpm push-pull Maestro Torch. In this video we're showing you how to replace the consumables on your swanneck. Rotate the gas nozzle and disassemble. Use the multiple wrench to dismantle the contact tip. Dismantle contact tip adapter. Remove the swanneck liner, push it backwards and pull it out. Mounting the swanneck liner in the swanneck. Mount the swanneck liner, push it inwards. Push it in and make sure the nipple is well secured inside the swanneck. In front, check the length of the spiral. This spiral is already cut by a tool. Swanneck liners supplied are longer and need to be shortened to the correct length. Install contact tip adapter on swanneck. Rotate it by hand. Use the multiple wrench and tighten it. Weld. Install the contact tip and correctly tighten it, first by hand, later on with the tool. Install your gas nozzle. Simply rotate it by hand until the end. In the end, make sure your liner is mounted flush.